Welcome, welcome, welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host Eben, and today we're here at a special place that's going to be putting on the badge of honor on my beautiful SL550. Now, after today, this won't be an SL550 anymore. It won't be a Mercedes. It's going to be the Synthetic Oil Protection machine. That's right. Let's kick it off. So this is where we're at. You can check it out online, and hey, we're going to be meeting the owner in a second. All right, we're going ahead and he's cleaning her up, just getting all the surface areas nice and clean. The touch of a craftsman. Remember to check out the playlist on this little angel. Everything up here in the corner, that's how we made this car no longer a Mercedes. We did a lot of stuff. We did the fluids, intercooler fluid, made, I'm gonna say 10 wheel horsepower. We did the radiator coolant, probably 3 horsepower. We did the motor oil, 2-3 horsepower. We did the transmission fluid, 1 or 2 horsepower. We did the rear diff. Oh my God, so much quieter, smoother, less vibration in the drivetrain. We did the Toyo Proxys Sport tires, the Japanese tires, super soft, 240 tread wear. Gets a lot more grip. You can put it all down. This thing will scrub off a 3.88 second 0 to 60. Check out the video. Come back and watch lots of fluid changes on getting your vehicle to run longer and stronger. All right, it's that time for a little 0 to 60. On a count of 3. 3, 2, 1. And not only do they have the super soft tires that are 240 tread wear, but it's also an 18-inch wheel. So this car comes with a 19-inch wheel. Now it's an 18-inch wheel. So from when we got it, I gave this car a 7.2 out of 10. Now I give the car a 9 out of 10. And that rating is for the money and how well it drives, handles, the safety, the performance, the comfort. Overall score of all the cars I've ever driven, I give it a 9 out of 10. I'm happy. Everything's looking really, really good. And they're getting everything all dialed in.
This has to be.
So
This has to be
I'm measuring from this, because this and that.
So what's the trick to sticking on stickers? Patience. And what else? Anything else?
Measure twice, stick once.
I like it. I'm gonna introduce you to Skeeter's son. What's your name?
John.
John is Skeeter's son, and without these guys we wouldn't make this possible. We're completely covering up what this car used to be. It was never a Mercedes. It was never an SL550, never. What is it? The Synthetic Oil Protection machine. So what's, I'm curious, John, what is the secret to putting on stickers?
Taping it in the right place, squeegee, nice firm pressure.
Beautiful.
Patience.
Beautiful.
Lots of patience, for sure.
Mike's gonna show us a little something with vinyl.
Completely trash it. Put a shit ton of wrinkles in it, right? Pull it all out.
Looks like a total pileup.
Right? Looks like junk now, right?
Yep.
Hold that. Just hold it tight for me. Don't try it. All go away.
That's amazing. Oh my God, that's beautiful. If only we could do that to our grandma's puss and make her look young again. He likes that shit.
That was hilarious.
So this is Skeeter. This is the guy that owns this place. That's him. And the son, John. These are the guys. And remember, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe, tap that notification bell. That way you can come back and watch gobs and gobs more videos like this later. And hey, check out the whole playlist on this car. You're going to definitely want to see how we dialed her in. Oh, and I wanted to mention, everything we did to this car, you can do to yours. So this isn't a special car. A lot of people think, oh, well, a Honda or a Mercedes or this or that, they're all special. They're not. They're all the same. They all take the same coolant. A lot of them all take the same transmission fluid. A lot of them all take the same gear lube. Most of them take the same oil. Some take a little bit different. But 80–90% of the time, they all take the same fluids. And the higher quality you put in, you're going to get out of your vehicle. So if you want your car to run longer and stay longer, you're going to want to come back and watch more. It's going to be loads of fun. And there she is. We got the big logos on, the big badges, and we're going to be putting on another one to cover the Mercedes symbols. We're going to be covering those. So there she is, the official synthetic oil protection machine. All right, we got 2 upper cylinder lubricants. Number 1 to our good man John.
Yes.
And number 2, whoop,
Oh,
the
yeah.
other guy. The other guy is Mike. And without these two, this machine wouldn't be possible, because it's good to change the fluids, but you have to show what the difference is, and we'll stick that right up here in the corner. So check it out. Thank you guys so much.
I appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Beautiful. Perfect.